Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the monster version of Catnap. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the top left and let's draw the head. Let's start by drawing the first eye with a curve up. And then another curve underneath. Now let's hop over to the left and let's draw the other eye in the same way, but we're going to make it skinnier. Next, I'm going to zoom in and draw the details. Inside each eye, let's draw a circle. And then a smaller black circle in the center. And now let's color the rest of the eyes in black. Next, let's hop up and let's draw a curve up and down around each eye. Now let's move down and draw the nose. In between the eyes, let's draw a small triangle. And color this in black. Now underneath, let's add the mouth. Under the nose, let's draw a curve up on the left and a longer one up on the right. Now from both ends, let's curve it down underneath for the mouth. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. Now let's hop to the sides and let's draw a curve around and down, and the same on the right side. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop up on top and let's draw a curve over the top of the head. And now on the right side, let's add the ears. Let's draw a curve up and then curve it down. Now let's hop inside at the bottom and let's draw two curves coming up to a point. And then two more curves in the top section. Now let's hop over on the top left and let's draw the other ear. Let's start with the curve going up and out. Then a curve down. And one more smaller one into the head. And lastly, let's draw one more curve inside near the top. And that's it for the head. Now let's zoom back out and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw the crescent necklace by drawing a curve. And then one more underneath. Now let's hop to the top right and let's draw a bumpy line over the top of the back. Then at the end, let's draw an S-shaped curve down and out. And one more bump at the end. Now let's move back in next to the head and let's draw a curve out from the bottom right. And now let's add the first leg. Let's start with a curve down, and then add a bump at the end. Next, let's move over on the right and let's draw a bump at the top, and then curve it down. And then one more bump underneath. Now at the bottom, let's draw a line down, angling it out from both sides. And then close it off at the bottom with a curve. Now let's move inside the top of the leg and let's draw the stitches. Let's start with a curve across and add some stitch lines across the line. Now let's move over next to the leg on the top right and let's draw an angle up, like this. Now inside the body, let's draw a curve close to the head. And then let's draw some curved lines going down for the ribs. And then one more inside near the leg. Now underneath, let's draw another wavy line across. And then a curve to close it off. And lastly, inside this right section, let's draw a wavy line inside. Now let's draw the back leg on the bottom right. Let's start with an angled line down, and then add a bump at the end. Now let's move to the right and let's draw a wavy line down, and again a bump. Now let's bring it down and out from the end of both lines. And then a curve at the bottom. Now inside at the top of the leg, let's draw some lines across again for the stitches. And that's it for the back leg. Now let's move back over to the left and let's draw the other front one. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a curve down and out. Now to the right, let's draw an angled line. Then angle it back in. Then bring it out and down like this. And then close off the bottom. Now let's add the fourth and final leg behind. Let's start in between the front legs and let's draw a curve over and down. And then let's curve it back in towards the right. Now for the other side, let's start underneath the body and let's draw a curve down. Continue it on the other side, and then angle it down. And then lastly, a curve at the bottom to close it off. And that's it for the legs. Now let's draw the feet at the bottom of each one. Let's start underneath the front foot and let's draw a curve out and back in for the first toe. And then add a curve inside for the toenail. Now let's draw another curve for the next one and another wavy line up. And again, a curve inside. Now for the next toe, we're going to point this one going down, so let's draw two curves. And then a diamond shape going down for the toe. And then a curve at the back for the heel. Now let's move over and let's draw the next foot. From the back leg, let's draw another wavy toe out and back in. And another one next to it. And again, curves inside each one. Now for the next foot, let's start from the sides and let's draw a toe out in the same way on both sides. And again, curves inside. Now in the center, let's draw two more toes, slightly smaller, leaving a gap in the middle. And then a curve inside the middle in the gap. Now let's move over and let's draw the last foot in the same way. Now to finish off each of the feet, let's color all of the toenails in black. And that's it for the legs and feet. Now let's draw the tail. Let's start underneath the belly and let's draw a wavy line down and curve it out to the right. And then continue it on the other side of the foot. Now let's follow that same curve next to it. And again out to the right. And then close off the end of the tail with a curve. And that's it for Monster Catnap. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!